teaching art holders the camera. Hey, lift it up a little, yan. No, not so much that. There you go. Say hi. Hi. Hi, vlog. Go to the cafe. May you see your map? Yes. Let's go. Saan na tayo? Barbecue? Barbecue pala favorite mo. Bakit sa bakdo? Pag ano? Cheese flavor. French fries. You want wine? Joke. Biscuit station na. Okay, let's go. Have this stamp. Thank you. Salamat po. Oh, here's your biscuit too. You eat that? Tapos na tayo. We're done. Ano ba? Pick it up, ano? Sige, ako na. Ako na, kumakain daw. Tara na. What? It's not here. Walang Lander Central dito. Yeah, let's look for Papa. Sige, tell Papa what that is. So, we had mass na. Whole family. Katatapos lang namin mag-practice ng choir. So, overall, our Sunday is really beautiful, amazing. And ang masasabi ko lang, our weekend belongs to our family, to our children. So, always remember to make the most out of it. So, yun lang.